Hello students, welcome to your computer class. In today's class we will learn how to change the background of a desktop and how to set a screensaver in your desktop system. Okay, so first of all, to change the desktop, it's very simple. What we have to do, we have to just right click and go to the last option, that is personalize. Just click, here it is. Okay, now have a look here, background. In this background, here's a drop down. Okay, just click over here. Now let's suppose you want a solid color. Let's suppose you don't want any picture, anything on the desktop, just a blank color. Let's suppose I want this yellow color. Okay, and have a look. Whenever I click or select this yellow color, the desktop will be get converted to the yellow color like this. Got it? Now I want to change that color. Yes, I can use any of the color. Okay, have a look. Now let's suppose this color. Now there are several colors, but I don't like that colors. I want something unique, something different. Okay, now what I will do, I have to click over here, custom. Have a look. There are different color intensities. You just have to select the color intensity as according to your wish. Okay, this is the darkness, this is the quite dull. It's up to you, it's up to your choice. Okay, let's suppose I want this color. Okay, so let's suppose this color, green, and just press I will done. Got it? Now have a look. This is the color which I had selected from that color pattern. Okay, now have a look. This is the change of the desktop. Got it? This is for the single color or the solid color of a desktop. Now if you want to have some graphics or a pic, what you will do, whenever we will click the we will go for the pic, we will get different pics. Let's suppose I want this desktop. I will simply click over here. Okay, have a look. You can see here the desktop has been changed. Now here we go. Fine. Let's suppose I don't like this desktop, I want to change it. Okay, I want this. Have a look, desktop is changed. Got it? Now again, you can select it. If you have a pic, let's suppose you want to place your pic in a desktop. Okay, or your any of the pic, your personal pic or whatever it is. Okay, your own pic, whatever. Just click upon the browse button and move towards the pic location. Okay, now I don't have pic actually. I had just formatted my laptop recently, so I will not get the pic right now. So let me check. Let's suppose I will go for this pic. This is also a pic. Okay, I will double click over here. Have a look. This is the desktop now. This pic is desktop. So this is just an example. You can take any of your pic. Okay, it will come towards the desktop like this. So I just want to change that pic. Okay, fine. Okay, got it? Now slideshow. Okay, this is the one thing that if you want to change the desktop pic as according to you after a certain interval of time, after a certain moment of time, then you will use this option, slideshow. Okay, now for this you have to browse the pics. Okay, let's suppose you want to get some of the pics, and right now I don't have the pics. Okay, let's suppose you had selected few of the pics. Okay, so right now I don't have the pics, so I cannot show you properly, but let's suppose by browsing such kind of this option, you had selected many of the pics here. Okay, afterwards you have to set the time interval, like one pic will be stand there in a desktop for a 1 minute. Okay, and after 1 minute, the next pic will be come, and after that, again next will become. The pics which we will give, it will get rotated. Let's suppose you had just given a 5 pics. After the fifth pic, again the first pic will be on your desktop. Got it? So this is used in a slideshow option. Okay, now let's suppose come here about choose the area. This is about the area. This choose a fit is a kind of a area of a desktop. Okay, let's suppose I'm going to give you an example fit. Okay, if I will say the fit, have a look on a desktop, a few area has been left. Just wait. Stretch will be full of that. That will be no. Okay, this is the actually inbuilt pic. Okay, so they are having a well dimensions. So that's why have a look. Look, this is the pic. Okay, if I will use this fit area, it means that the actual size will be going to act on your desktop. Got it? If I will use to stretch, then the whole of the desktop area will be covered by using this stretch option. Now next, title will not work because the pic is a bit large. Okay, if the pic is small, then just like a chessboard, the same pic will be there in your entire desktop in a tile option. Center will be act like this. Okay, and then span will be act like this. Okay, generally we will go for fill. Okay, so this is how to change the desktop, the background of the desktop. Okay, generally this is known as our desktop. Now again, if we want to set a screensaver. Now what is screensaver? A screensaver is something, let's suppose the system is being idle. Idle means, it doesn't mean that the system is not performing. System never sits idle, but you are not performing anything in your system. At that time, what will happen? The system will get, let's suppose, a screensaver is just like in your mobile. If you will do nothing, it will show something like a clock, okay, or 3D graphics like that. Now for that we have to go for the screen, lock screen. Okay, so just click over here and come down. Here's the option of screensaver setting. Okay, just click. Yeah, now right at this moment, presently I don't have any screensaver in my system. Have a look. Now I want to set a screensaver. Okay, let's suppose I want to have a 3D text like this. Okay, and I want to change the name also. Okay, I just want to write my name here. Okay, let's suppose Aman. Okay, resolution will be adjust from this high to low. Okay, and the size of that text will be small or large will be changed by using this option. Okay, how oftenly it used to rotate, it will be controlled by here only. It's up to you. And spin, seesaw, this is a different rotation pattern actually. Okay, select any of the one, and this is the solid color texture. This is the different you can say that the functions. Okay, now let's suppose I had done with my settings and all. Okay, now if you want to change the font, this is the choose font option. Okay, I just want that bold. I just want let's suppose this one. Okay, this one, and I will say okay. I will say okay. Now waiting period will be of 1 minute. Okay, minimum you have to go for the 1 minute. Now just apply here. Okay, you can say that, you can see here how it will act on my system. Okay, so I will just go for apply and okay. Now you must have to wait for a minute. So let's wait. Let's see what we will get here. Okay, in this waiting period, let us discuss the things. Okay, uh, now simply if we want to change a background, what we will do, we have to just right click and move towards the personalize, and we have to select our pic. Whatever pic we want to select, we have to go for that pic. Okay, for dimensions we must have to go for fit and stretch. Okay, fill, something like that. Okay, got it. By clicking over there, you will select the desktop. Got it. For screensaver, what we have to do, we just have to right click, move towards the personalize, and again lock screen. In lock screen, there is an option at the bottom. There is an option of screen saver. Okay, so by using the different fields as according to our need, we can change it, we can do it. Okay, so let's wait for a minute. It's not happening. I think there must be some kind of error. Just let me check. Let me check again. Save what's really quick. Zoom on. Everything is fine. So why not it's working? Let me check it out. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, let's click over here again and let's wait for a minute. Okay, just wait for a minute. Let's see what will happen. I think screen recording is going on. That's why it's not working, because screen recording is active. So let's suppose if you apply the screensaver, then the system must be idle. And I suppose in my case the system is not idle, because on a background our screen recording software is working. It is active. Okay, it is recording the entire screen and it is not being paused. Okay, so that's why I think it will not work here, but definitely if you will try in your home, it will work. Okay, yeah, that is the issue. I got the point. That is the issue. That's why it's not working here. Okay, got it. So let's go again. Again, so you can, yeah, you can get this bubbles also. Okay, have a look. You can look here, the bubbles. Okay, photo, if you want to add any kind of photo, it will be like this, and is nothing. 3D is like that. If we'll change the spin, if I will go for seesaw. Then have a look. Now it's moving up to a certain dimensions. Okay, again rectangle. Have a look. Got it? So like this you can set the screensaver on your computer system. Got it? So that's all for the class. Thank you.